Welcome to A/B test, where you can test different sending criteria and compare results. For this video, let's look at how you can create an A/B test. Here you can compare test sends by email content, send time, subject lines, or sender profiles to see which provides the better performance. You can compare up to 3 variations of your selected criteria, i.e. compare 2 different campaign designs or compare 2 different send times to see which produced the better results. For this example, let's compare email content. First, let's set how many campaigns you would like to compare. You can choose between 2 or 3 test sends in the left-hand guide menu. This applies to whichever criteria you have selected. Now, let's select the campaign we would like to use for our test sends. Once selected, this will automatically move us to the next section. To change any previous selections, you can click on the Edit button to return to that section. Next, we need to select the mailing lists we would like to use for our A/B tests. You can change the mailing list folder via the drop-down menu at the top. Click Confirm once you are happy with your selections. The next screen will ask us to select a sender profile. Once this has been selected, you will automatically move to the next section. To demonstrate how to swap criteria, let's swap our test over to comparing subject lines. Select Swap Criteria and select your new criteria. Now we have selected subject lines, we can set the subject line variations we would like to test. You can include mail merge or emojis. Once you're happy with your selections, click Confirm Subject Lines. Next, we will set the test send size and send time. Using the slider, we can adjust how many subscribers we would like to include in each test. As you can see, we have currently set our send size of 24 subscribers. All tests will be the same size for ideal testing comparisons. The remainder of your contacts will be sent to as part of your winning send once all tests have been sent out and a winner can be determined. Now we can set send time and send date. You can select date and time. Once you are happy with your send time, click Confirm Send Time selection. The final stage is setting the test criteria for how you would like your winning test send to be determined. A winner can be decided by either highest opens or most clicks. You will also be asked to set the delay after which the winning send will go out after your final test send has gone out. This can be anywhere from a minimum of 4 hours up to several weeks. We would recommend giving your test at least a few days to give your subscribers time to interact with your send. Now we are ready to schedule our A/B test. Click Review A/B Test for a summary of your test send. If you are happy with your choices, hit Confirm Send. There we are, our A/B test has been scheduled.